ये जो इंडिया है ना, इट वॉन्ट्स टू नो क्या दिल्ली एनसीआर में अर्थक्वेक, भूकंप, जलजला का डर है? सो लेट्स आस्क अ जियोलॉजिस्ट. हेलो सर.
Hello, thank you.
Could Delhi NCR see an earthquake tomorrow?
Yes, it is possible, but
और क्या ये एक बड़ा मेजर अर्थक्वेक हो सकता है?
yes, Delhi could see a big earthquake, but
सुना आपने, दिल्ली में, दिल्ली एनसीआर में अर्थक्वेक, भूकंप का कहर. Thank you. We have got our headline. Delhi NCR might soon be hit by a major earthquake, say scientists. It's not a satirical news headline, it's an actual headline reflecting a big question a lot of people living in the Delhi NCR region are asking. A big question a lot of the media is fanning. Are we about to be hit by a really big and bad earthquake? The simple answer to that is no, we're not. And here's why. No one, not scientists, not politicians, not your favorite TV anchor, not your neighbor, not your dad, not your pet cat, no one can predict earthquakes. Scientifically speaking, no one can certify that a big earthquake will happen tomorrow, nor can they certify that it will not. Unfortunately, we're surrounded by headlines that mislead or only half inform us, and we fall prey to that. So let's decode some headlines. Here's one. A low-intensity earthquake of magnitude 2.1 struck near Delhi today. This is the 13th earthquake to hit the National Capital Region in the last 2 months. Well, the fact is that the Earth experiences 1 million earthquakes a year that measure 2 on the Richter scale, and 100,000 every year that measure 3 on the Richter scale, and another 10,000 that measure 4 on the Richter scale. So simple maths will tell you that therefore Delhi and its surrounding areas and that India would not have experienced just 13 minor earthquakes in the last 2 months, but hundreds of them. And not just in the last 2 months, but every month, every week, every day, year after year. That is the nature of the earth. And none of these earthquakes that measure 2, 3, or even 4 and 5 on the Richter scale are considered at all dangerous. Here is another dramatic headline, obviously to grab you by the eyeballs. Patal Lok se aa raha hai zalzala, which translates as there's an earthquake coming up from hell. Just below that are the main points, each more scary than the next. भारी खतरे में दिल्ली और पूरा भारत. 300 साल पहले 1720 में आया था भूकंप. धरती से मिल रहे हैं संकेत, वैज्ञानिकों ने चिंता जताई. Look at this headline. भारी खतरे में दिल्ली, because it is in seismic zone 4. Delhi is vulnerable to earthquakes, just like much of eastern UP, parts of Punjab and Haryana, all of Uttarakhand and all of Himachal, most of Kashmir, parts of Bihar, parts of Bengal and Assam and Arunachal. But this only means we are vulnerable, that we could have an earthquake measuring up to 6.5 on the Richter scale, but it does not mean कि कल होगा या कितना बड़ा होगा. Then look at this headline. वैज्ञानिकों ने चिंता जताई. This has a lot to do with what we from the media want to ask the poor unsuspecting scientist. Let's rewind. Could Delhi NCR see an earthquake tomorrow?
yes, it is possible, but
So media asks, could Delhi be hit by an earthquake, a severe earthquake? Polite geologist says yes, but before he can explain the but, media cuts him short and asks, और क्या ये एक बड़ा मेजर earthquake हो सकता है?
yes, Delhi could see a big earthquake, but
सुना आपने, दिल्ली में, दिल्ली एनसीआर में earthquake, भूकंप का कहर. Thank you. We have got our headline. Again, before the geologist can explain further, media shuts him up. Stop. Thank you. I have my big headline, my big scary headline. Top scientist worried, says Delhi could be hit by a big earthquake tomorrow. But hang on. Suppose you had also asked him, can Delhi be hit by an earthquake day after tomorrow, or next month, or next year? He would say, yes, any of this is possible. If you had further asked him, is the big earthquake more likely next month or next year? He would have said both are equally possible. But because this doesn't give us that alarming headline, we either don't ask these important additional questions or we simply bury the unsexy but most important information. In fact, here is the most important question and the first question that media should be asking earthquake scientists. Can you guys predict an earthquake? The answer will be no. Can you predict a big earthquake? The answer will again be no. And that's the fact. While mankind has always been obsessed with trying to predict earthquakes for a very good reason, because it would save many lives, the fact is that this is one scientific puzzle that we have not yet cracked. On Twitter and WhatsApp, there is a lot going on. People describing Delhi's seismic fault lines, the 16 or 13 or 11 quakes that have happened in the last few weeks or in the last month. Get ready for the big one. What to pack in case of an earthquake? Why us? Why now? Etc. Well, it's possible that ye jo India hai na, we may just be feeling vulnerable right now because of our helplessness against COVID-19 that has killed over 8,000 of our countrymen so far, or our helplessness against the economic beating that we are taking. Cyclones in Bengal, cyclones in Mumbai, just so much bad news. So maybe we are fearing the worst when we hear about tremors in Delhi. But let's shake ourselves out of that and go back to science, to the simple fact that these minor tremors are normal. Hundreds of them happen every day below the Earth's surface. That's how nature is. Ye jo India hai na, while it cannot predict when an earthquake can strike, where it may strike, or how big it will be, what we could do is take long-term steps to secure ourselves. For instance, Delhi NCR being in seismic zone 4, being 250 to 300 kilometers from the Himalayas, where earthquakes in the range of 7 and 8 on the Richter scale do occur every few years, we should push builders and our governments to make sure that our buildings, our malls, hospitals, our offices, our homes, our schools are earthquake resistant. And we should be aware of what to do in an event of an earthquake. That's it. Stay safe and, just as crucially, stay well informed.